To make a full page screenshot in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to decide which screenshot method you want to use. So there's a button screenshot or palm swipe screenshot. So palm swipe can be activated in motions and gestures in advanced features right here. And to make that screenshot, you will need to swipe your hand across the screen like this, preferably when you're in some kind of an app. Then you can click on this button, and that way it will try to scroll your page all the way down and make a full page screenshot. The other way to do it is to click on the button. So here we can click on the power button and volume down button together and perform the exactly same thing. So we want to click on this icon, and then it will swipe all the way down and make a full page screenshot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.